Okay guys, yeah, welcome to episode 2 or part 2 of SwiftUI Journey. My SwiftUI Journey. So in the last, let's say in the previous video, I mentioned in this video we'll be checking if we can add multiple stacks in this body and then embed stacks inside these stacks and all those magics and all. Yeah, so attaining my research before this video continues. I did some research and I found out that yeah, you can do this. You can add this stuff here. You can add this stuff here. You can add another stuff. So let's do this. C and then bring it down. Command V. Let's do this one. Let's make this person so we can say okay. Yeah, so and the person, and I found out that there sometimes does feel for some functions. Oh, sorry, for some icons you can use that field. Let's use global stuff. Field. Yeah, nothing like that. So yeah, use the person. So you say we can add more vstacks inside this, and inside this vstack we can add a h stack, I guess. So let's cut this into h stack. If you guys know of any shortcuts, you can also let me know, please. Let me know in the comment section. So let's do this h stack. So basically, inside our vstack, our first vstack, we have our h stack. So you can see, let's paste the stuff we copied the other time inside the vstack. So we have that one as a vstack. Then below it we have something as an h stack. Or as a h stack. Sorry. So this should be done. I think we got that figured out now. We can embed as much vstack and h stack as you want inside this. Now what is really needed on mobile apps? So if you open your app on your phone, you should know that basic things that are needed on apps are images like this, text, and then basically text field. So let's go text field, I guess. Text field, so you can do title key and then the text, then field axis, okay, and then prompt. I don't know prompt as in now. We'll check that later. So basically value and then format bar. Okay, so you can format your text anyhow you want. Okay, text label. Let's just do this. Let's do text. Let's do this. So title field should be okay. Title. That should be no text. Name. And the text should be hello, I guess. Okay. Can I convert value of string to updated binding address? Wow. So fixing a state Shortness with the what does that mean? Something is extra. You have to remove this. Right to let's be removed. Using parameter text. So you should have text and then what should be here? Binding string. Binding, is that not like a state? We'll come back to it. We are not ready for state yet. Guys, yeah, so I just found out we can do a state like this. So we add date, then what was it? Yeah, the name of the state. So let's say name, but sorry, var name, then the type. Sorry, to be an empty string at first, I guess. So yeah, where we want to use it, we can just pass in. I guess you bind like this. You bind with the $sign and then your state. So I guess this should work if I'm correct. But yeah, I still can't see anything. Oh okay. Yeah, we are reloading. Okay, yes, so see. There you go. Yeah, so I can type in it. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. Let's see if we can pass in initial value. So let's say var name would be something like healthy. Yeah, so let's see if it works or not. Alright, it works, and we add to it for Kelvin 9. We can add to it, and can we also clean up the Kelvin? There's a nice Kelvin. Very good, very good. Not bad, not bad. Now let's see if we have a button. So button, I guess this is very good. So use it. I don't know if you guys can notice. I just type and then try to use this to see what it does, or to see type of props. You like the props? Yeah, we can pass to the button components. Okay, so yeah. Let's see, action. Do you want to show any action? Yes, I doubt you want to show any action. Yes, so let's just the button. Sure. This should just be press me. The action can be void. Or action, let's print something. Print button press. Okay, we do have a button. Let's open up our terminal and away the previous. So press me. Yeah. Now we are getting button pressed. Oh, so yeah, it works. Now let's see if we can style our button using the other style we learned in the previous video. So foreground style, and then we pass color. So let's do the, oh, we can't do the red. Oh, this form style. So foreground style, and then we pass the red. Let's see what happens. Yeah, we can have, but this is button text. And let's make it. What can we make it? black. So black. Now let's see if we can give it background color of blue. Back is the background. There's background. I will just give it color of blue. I think we can. Let's see. Yeah, it looks. Yeah, good. But now it needs padding. So let's just string padding. Dot padding. What do you mean by edge? Okay, edge insets. Is that like the value for the padding inside? Okay, so this is like yeah, padding works in what you know. Yeah, so let's see. Let's just put 12. I can't see any changes. Padding. So they copy this. Is this one of the things in SwiftUI that you can't just place things anywhere? It has to be in some particular order. Let's see if I put it up here. It works. Oh yeah. So guys, this is one of the things here. You can't place things anywhere. It has to be in a particular order. Oh, this one works. Yeah. So it works like as a margin. That's weird. Works as a margin. Okay. So now let's see if we can make this text white. Oh no, Control Z. I just Control D and duplicate. Okay. Does this still press? Oh yeah. We still have a functional button. So now we have button text field. Now let's change this to name. Now let's change this to submit. This is quite good. Now let's add our normal text back. So we have text. Yeah, text. We have welcome. We have another text that says please type in your name here, and then leave this as blank, and it should be good. Now let's see. Let's try something. And we print the name that was imputed. Let's see if we can do that. So variable name. Hey guys, I'll be back. Let me quickly check how to interpolate string in SwiftUI. Check that. Alright guys, yeah, found out you can do this, and you just do this, I guess so. Yeah, so now let's type in a name. We go again with Kelvin, and then we submit. Alright. we get Kelvin here. Now can we do this? Do my main if then name. Now let's try that again. Go Kelvin. Yeah, my name is Kelvin. Real good, real good. We've achieved a lot today, guys. Yeah. So now we know how to create a script now. This is quite easy. Not like React where we are used to cons, this with the name, and then you set name, then you do equals to save, then you make it this. I mean this and this. They have to tell me twice to that the up one is easier. Yeah, so guys, I think we've done quite enough for today. Yeah, so basically we'll be trying other things as time goes on. Next video we should do more of variables, more of type settings and all those stuff. So yeah, on our next video we will try variable and we'll use more states, and hopefully we can try to do name and password. You see, yeah. Alright guys, that'll be all for today. See you in the next one. Please do like, share and subscribe if you enjoy. Thank you.